Good morning to all. Lowest common multiple, short form LCM. Lowest or least both have the same meaning. Least or lowest common multiple LCM of two numbers is the smallest number non-zero that is a multiple of both is the LCM. Here you have seen the example multiple of 3, write the table of 3, and multiple of 4 means write the table of 4. Now find the common multiple. Common you have seen 12 is common in both the numbers, so this is the common multiple. Next common is 24, have you seen here, and after that next common is 36. These are the common multiples. Okay, and in this common multiple, which one is smallest? This one is the smallest, so this is the least or lowest common multiple. Okay, here you have seen a common multiple is the number that is a multiple of two or more numbers, and lowest common multiple means the smallest one. There are two methods for finding the LCM. First one is prime factorization method, and the second method is division method. We have to cover first LCM by prime factorization method. So what's the first rule? Step 1, find the prime factors of the given numbers. After that, collect the largest number of occurrence of each prime factor. After that, find the product of these factors. This will give the LCM of the given numbers. Now I am going to explain through the question. Let's see. Exercise 3.3, question number 1. Find the LCM of the following numbers by prime factorization method. I have taken the E part. Let's see how we have to solve. The first step is find the prime factors of the given number. So here you have seen all the numbers, its prime factor. I have already told to you by prime factorization method how you have to find the prime factors. 45 its prime factors, 15 its prime factors, and 6 its prime factors. Okay, the next process, collect the largest number of occurrence of each prime factors. Let's see, write all the prime factors of the given numbers. Okay, here you have seen all the factors I have written here. Now you have to collect the maximum number of occurrence of the prime factors. Here you have seen 3. 3 is, where is the maximum 3? There. 2 3s are there. So it is the maximum occurrence. So underline it. Now here you have seen 2. 2 at one time every factors. So take 1, underline it. And third one is 5. Take it also and underline it. Okay. After that, find the product of these factors, and this will give the LCM of the given number. It means you have to multiply all the underlined prime factors that you have to underline. Now here you have seen after multiplication you will get 90 as its product and LCM also. Okay. LCM by division method. Step is write the given numbers in a horizontal line separately, separating them by commas. Now divide them by a suitable prime numbers which exactly divides at least two of the given numbers. We put the quotient directly under the numbers in the next row. If the number is not divided exactly, bring it down in the next row. Keep dividing the quotient until no pair of bottom numbers have a common factor. Find the product of all the prime factors. This product will give the required LCM. I am explaining through the question. Let's see. Question number 2. Find the LCM of the following numbers by division method. I have taken its D part. The first step is write the given numbers in a horizontal line, separating them by commas. Here you have seen all the numbers are written in a horizontal line by comma. Next step, divide them by a suitable prime number which exactly divide at least two of the given numbers. Now we have to divide by the 2 which is a prime number. Divide by 2, its quotient is 150, its quotient is 300 and its quotient is 450. Okay. Now the next process, we put the quotient directly under the numbers in the next row. I have already shown to you. If the number is not divided exactly, bring it down in the next row. Okay. Fourth point, keep dividing the quotient until no pair of bottom numbers have a common factors. Here it again goes by 2, so divide by 2. Its quotient you have to write here. Okay. Now divide by 3. Its quotient you have to write here. Now 5 is 25, 5 10 is 50, 5 15 is 75. Now again 5 1 is 5 2 is 5 3 is. Here what you have seen 2. One time it goes one time. It does not go, so keep it same. Okay. Here you have seen in the third point, if the number is not divided exactly, bring it down in the next row. Here you have seen 3 is not divided by 2, so it is as it is. Okay. Now 3 goes by 3 times, write it. So what you have seen here, all the quotient become 1. It means no any other prime factorization. Now write its LCM by product it. Product means you have to multiply all these factors. When you have to multiply all these factors, you will get the LCM 1800 as its answer. Like this, you have to do the remaining parts of these questions as an homework. Thank you, class.